Very good morning. I am Dr. Senthilkumar, Associate Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology. And let us discuss about the topic, that is importance of value additions of farm produce. So we know very well that a farm produce, when it is value added, that means these things will be done at the time of post-harvest engineering. So once value addition is carried out, the value of the farm produce will get automatically increased so that the farmer will get more profit. So let us discuss about the importance of value addition of farm produce. So value addition of farm produce refers to the process of transforming raw agricultural commodities into processed or value added products. So by means of this value additions, the raw agriculture produce will get converted into the useful value added products. So it involves enhancing the quality, the shelf life, convenience and market value of the agricultural goods. Here are some of the key reasons why value additions of farm produce is important. Let us see some of the important points why value addition is needed. So first to say about the important point is that increasing the market opportunities. So instead of giving the agricultural produce in the raw form, if it is value added is done, then the opportunities, that means the market opportunities will get increases. So value added products often have a high demand and marketability comparing with the raw agricultural commodities. So by processing farm producers, farmers can tap into a wide range of market opportunities. Processed products can be sold to various sectors such as retail, food service and manufacturing, thereby expanding the customer base and potentially increasing the sales as well as the profit. So if he is having the raw agricultural produce, then the targeted customers to which he is planning to sell the product will be less. At the same time, when the value addition is done, surely it increases the market opportunities. Then to say about the higher value and profitability. So a simple example for value addition, say for example, milk is sold at a rate of per liter at the cost of rupees 48. So when it is converted to badam milk or rose milk or in any other form, they are selling at the rate of 200 ml at the rate of rupees 50 rupees. The customers, it also increases the tendency of the customers to buy the product. So higher value as well as the profitability. Value added products command higher price in the market compared to the raw agricultural commodities. The processing adds quality, convenience and additional features that customers are willing to pay for. This increases value and profitability can directly benefit farmers by providing them with the better returns on their produces. Next to say the extended shelf life and reduces the losses. So these two things are very much important. One is the extension of the shelf life of the food produce. At the same time, in order to reduce the post-harvest losses. So in general, the post-harvest losses accounts to near to 25 to 30%. So these losses is to be reduced. At the same time, the shelf life of the food is to be enhanced. So processing helps to extend the shelf life of the farm produce. So by removing the moisture, controlled temperature and applying preservation techniques, processed products can have a longer shelf life comparing to the raw crops. So this reduces the loss due to spoilage, allowing farmers to store, transport and sell their produce over a more extended period. That means when the shelf life is getting increased, then it is possible for the farmer to transport the agricultural produce to a very long distance as the shelf life is increased. Next to say about the product diversification and risk management. So value addition enables farmers to diversify the product range and reduce the reliance on the single commodity. By processing farm produce into different products, farmers can spread their risk. They can reduce their risk and minimize the impact of market fluctuations. So weather-related issues or crop failures, etc. This diversification helps to mobilize more income and improve the resilience in the face of uncertainties. So if any uncertainty happen also, it is the farmer no need to worry about it, as the product will be converted into the form of other value added products. So when it is converted to value added products, also its shelf life is getting increased, so that the farmer no need to worry about the spoilage of the food. Then next to say about the value chain development. and employment generation. So value addition of the farm produce promotes the development of a robust and sustainable agricultural value chain. It creates opportunity for various stakeholders such as processors, distributors, marketers, and retailers. So the employment at various sectors like processors, one who is doing the processing operations, followed by the supply chain management. That means distribution of food product from the farm to the hands of the customer, followed by the one who is selling, retailers. All is getting more employment opportunities. This in turn generates the employment and economical growth in rural areas, contributing to the overall development and the poverty reduction. So next to say about the nutritional enhancement and food security. So processing can enhance the nutritional value of the farm produce. For example, milled grains into flour allows for a better utilization and the absorption of nutrients. Value addition products such as fortified foods and ready-to-eat meals can address specific nutritional needs and contribute to improved food security by providing convenient and nutritional options. So utilization of surplus and waste. So it is also a very important point that we want to know. That means our population of our country is increasing 2% every year. So if the yield or the production or the agriculture produce is same as that of the last year, then surely it will not be possible for us to feed food for that 2% of increased population. So what we want to do, we want to increase the yield by means of farm mechanization. On the other hand, we want to go take the measures for reduction of the waste. So here it is the utilization of surplus. When it is excess, we used to say it is surplus, as well as the waste utilization. So value added facilities, the utilization of the surplus agricultural produce and byproducts that would otherwise go to waste. So say for example, in a particular season, the banana is getting harvested in a very large quantity. If it is not properly stored, then storage as well as transportation is inadequate, and then it leads to waste. At the same time, when it is converted into other value-added products, so that it remains for a very long time. So this reduces the food waste and supporting a more sustainable and efficient agricultural system. By converting surplus or waste materials into value-added products such as animal feed, biofuels, and biodegradable packagings, farmers can minimize the losses and contribute to the environmental sustainability. Overall, you can say the value-added addition of food produce offers numerous benefits for the farmers, consumers, and the agricultural sector as a whole. It enhances the market opportunity, profitability, and food security while promoting the sustainability and economical development. So if we know about the value addition of food produce, surely we should go for implementation of the value addition. So by means of value addition, the value of the product will get increases. Thereby the returns, that is the profit a farmer is getting, will get increased. At the same time, the waste which is happening or the surplus or the waste will get reduced by means of this value addition. Thank you for watching this video.